Welcome back to English Explorers with Riddima. I am glad you are here today. This is a space where we speak in simple, natural English and build confidence step by step. Every time you watch, you are training your mind to understand, think, and express yourself more freely. So, take a moment, relax, and let's speak together in a way that feels calm, clear, and effortless. Speaking English is not about sounding perfect, it is about feeling comfortable, expressing your thoughts, and whenever I sit down to speak, I remind myself that fluency is built through consistency, not pressure. When we stop judging ourselves, our words flow more naturally. I have realized that English becomes easier when you allow yourself to enjoy the process. The more you speak, the more familiar the language feels. Slowly, the hesitation disappears and confidence replaces fear. We all make mistakes, and honestly, that is how we grow. A small slip of grammar or a mispronounced word doesn't define your ability, it simply shows that you are learning. I believe that communication is more important than perfection. When you focus on expressing your ideas clearly, people gonna understand you, and that understanding matters far more than flawless sentences. Today, when I'm speaking with that intention to improve, to grow, and to feel more at ease with the language. I am choosing to be confident even when I'm still learning. Every sentence I speak strengthens my fluency, every thought I express builds my clarity, and every attempt I make pushes me one step ahead. English is not just a skill, it's a daily practice. The more you expose yourself, the more it becomes a natural part of your life. Speak to yourself, think in English, and use it whenever you can. With time, your mind will begin to form sentences effortlessly. This journey is very personal, and everyone grows at their own pace. What matters is that you show up, you speak, and you believe in your own progress. Confidence is something you build one moment at a time. It's a slow process, but you will definitely gonna love it. Thank you for spending this time with me. Every session you watch brings you closer to confidence and fluency. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. If you found this helpful, join me again for more natural conversations designed to make you feel confident, capable, and comfortable. This is Riddima, and you're watching English Explorers. I'll see you in my next episode.